Budgeting feels impossible when your income changes every month. Here's the system that works whether you earn $2,000 or $6,000. Calculate your average monthly income over the last 6 to 12 months. Budget based on your lowest month from that period, not the average. Everything above baseline goes to a buffer savings account first. Tier 1, must pay rent, utilities, food, minimum debt payments. Tier 2, nice to have entertainment, dining out, clothing, travel. On low-income months, Tier 1 only. Good months, add Tier 2 from buffer. When income is above baseline, transfer surplus to buffer account. When income is below baseline, pull from buffer to cover Tier 1. Target buffer size, 2 months of Tier 1 expenses. Variable income earners do better with quarterly projections. Review actual versus projected quarterly. Adjust baseline as income grows. Tax set aside. Put 25 to 30% of every payment in a tax account immediately. Download my variable income budget template at https://fundbiz.gumroad.com. If this helped you at all, please hit the like button right now. It tells YouTube this video is worth showing to more people. And subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss a tip. We post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.